So today we're going to look into Devin AI. So what if you could give an AI a coding task and let it actually do the work for you? And that's exactly what makes Devin AI so interesting. So it's designed to act like an AI software engineer. So what's actually it is? So Devin, as you may know, it's an AI powered software engineer that can help with real development tasks. So instead of simply answering your coding questions or giving you code snippet, Devin can work through a task, write and modify the code, and debug as well for you. So it's like think of having an AI developer sitting alongside you. So one of the biggest advantages is that you can give Devin instructions in natural language. And if you need a new feature, tell it what you want. And if you found a bug, ask Devin to investigate and fix it. And if you're working on a large code database, Devin can analyze the project and work with the existing code. So it can handle repetitive like development tasks, which means you can spend less time writing the code and time and focusing more on the bigger picture. And the best part, you can review what Devin does and make the final decision yourself. So if you go to your official Devin website, if you want to start using it, just create an account and access the platform. From there, you can give Devin a task and let it work through the platform. So does Devin really make the coding much faster? Yes, because it can significantly reduce the amount of repetitive work you have to do. So instead of spending hours coding every small detail, you can like delegate the task to an AI like Devin and focus on building and doing the other bigger problems. So this makes you this makes the process much simpler and faster. So you can really do your coding much easier than compared to your standard traditional way.